friends, how's it going? Happy New Year. So we're back, and this is the first truck to be finished in 2018. Figured I'd take it out for a little test drive as usual and share it with you. It is a 1973 Ford Bronco, restored and modified to become an Icon BR. It's Icon BR number 52, and it's got some unique stuff going on. I'm really happy with this. This client got really involved in the decisions that we made in the build. And I think when that happens, you know, it gets us sort of out of my head and you start to see other perspectives and opinions, which frankly I welcome. You know, I think he had some great ideas, and in the end I think we created a really neat truck that's got some cues and elements to it that you haven't seen in my other builds. So let's get right to it. Mechanically, obviously pretty straightforward. They all run the current production Mustang GT Coyote 5-liter aluminum fuel-injected V8, rated approximately at 420 horse and 390 torque. That motor is sending power through a Ford AOD automatic with overdrive, which in turn sends power through to the Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly part-time four-wheel drive transfer case. Such a mouthful. Axles, Dynatrac, Dana 60 Pro Rock high pinion in the rear, Dana 44 in the front with all upgraded internals. In the center of those, you will find the ARB locking differentials built into the diffs, dedicated air compressor for those, midship hiding in the chassis. We're also running the Icon Sport brakes by Brembo with hydro boosted master cylinders. Good stuff there. Suspension is coilover, of course. We're running the Eibach coils and the new and improved dual rate tunable Fox Racing Icon Sport suspension. For wheels, we're running the new and improved Icon old school wheels. The changes to the wheel are kind of hard to notice, but now they're forged. And then we are still playing with different vintage Ford hubcaps, but I really like the ones we chose on this truck. Tell me, what do you think? Those wheels were finished in ivory, which is matched by the traditional style white roof. And the body, this is actually a stock body color, and I think it looks really nice. It's distinct, it's vintage, but it doesn't look like it's stuck in time, if you know what I mean. We're also running the Icon bumper systems in the front. That's hiding a worn 9.5 winch with synthetic cable and Viking off-road fair lead. We're integrating the fog lights LED into the front bumper. You'll notice those are the recently updated ones where they're branded Icon, as well as the headlights are the new Icon LED headlights. Really happy with those. They've got a cool look, and of all the LED headlights we have tested at Icon, these have the best performance. They work out really well. In the rear, we have the aux LED reverse light, and then the tail lights, of course, are LED circuit boards as always. We're running the Amp Research power steps, and then the standard Icon exterior trim you've come to know and love, such as the CNC stainless steel handles and rear view mirrors, plus the unique badging, grille, and tailgate insert. On the inside is where it really gets different. So we wanted to do something at the client's request that was more classic and a little bit more classy. So I'm a big leather geek, as many of you probably already know. So with a tannery here in the US, we worked with them to find this blue that's really perfect for the truck. So it's a US made, US grown cowl in the whole 9 yards. It's got a really nice hand to it. So it's thicker than most automotive leathers, so it should prove to be more durable. But it's got a really nice finish, like sort of semi-gloss finish. And then we perforated that same hide for the seating inserts, which just breaks it up a little bit, and it works out really nice. We're running the seat heaters in the front seats. We're running the tuck and tumble removable optional rear seat in the rear. Door panels, we kept our usual design, but we leather wrapped the armrests, and we did leather inserts in the lower panel where we traditionally would have fit the Chilowich. And we're also running power door locks and power windows. The steering wheel is also wrapped in the same leather. That's a trick we've been doing more and more often. It's the standard Icon steering wheel, but then we just hand wrap it in the leather chosen for the rest of the interior. The one thing we resisted doing, and the client wanted, but I kind of pushed back a little bit, is leather wrapping the dash. Anytime you see that on a vehicle, either modern or classic, over time, it just goes to all hell. It will not last. Being a skin, therefore organic, it'll respond to temperature and sun, and it's just gonna go to hell. So we stayed with the traditional one, which I think's fine. It pretty much disappears in the interior of the truck. What else do we have? Oh, we did custom carpet, again to sort of match the styling established by the leather, because the Chilowich just no longer made any sense. And then the Icon sun visors from Learjets and other cool applications. The new powered auto dimming rear view mirror. We did the full audio with the Focal K2 higher end reference audio systems with amp and bass, and of course we have a reverse camera built in there as well. The newly updated center console. Yeah, that's probably enough. I think you get the point by now. If not, watch the other 51 videos about the Icon BR. As always, I really appreciate your support. Thanks for taking the time to watch these videos. I know the production quality is not stellar, but if you consider it's all done by one guy who trained himself merely on the University of YouTube on how the hell to shoot and edit, could be worse. So be well, keep in touch. Old school telephones, 818-280-3333. Facebook is Icon4X4, simply me, Jonathan Ward. Instagram and Twitter's Icon4X4 for Instagram and Icon Design for Twitter. Be well, have a great day. Thanks again.